Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 F-150 STX in Ingot Silver. Grey cloth interior, seating for 3. This is a 2-door regular cab, which is 6.5 feet. It also has a 3.7 liter V6 4x4 engine and a trailer hitch. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, manual door locks as well as window. The driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages as well as the odometer reading there, and we can actually go through trip A, trip B, kilometers to empty, average, timer, and back around again. And we also have an automatic shifter with tow haul on the end, and when you press that, you'll see it appear at the top, and then press again and it goes out. In the center, you're seeing the display, and that has your media of AM, FM, and below that is your traction control, hazard lights. There's your CD player, and then you have the different menus and volume control as well as tuner. You also have auxiliary, and below that you have front defrost, AC and max AC. And then there's your climate control for the heat and the fan. Down below is your 12 volt auxiliary USB, and off to the side is 4x4 with your cubby. In the center you have an armrest, and then you can flip it up. It's an extra seat. And down below you can unclip for more storage, as well as a couple of cup holders. And there's a cubby down below here as well, and off to the side, your 12 volt. You've got a glove compartment, and up above a manually dimming rear view mirror. In the center you have your lighting controls. 17-inch wheels, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side Capless easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have a trailer hitch with a 4 and 7 pin connector and a locking spare tire. When we open up the box, you'll notice it's nice and roomy. It's got tie downs in all 4 corners. This truck has 2 doors and it's a regular cab, so I've brought the front of the seat forward just by sliding it and used the lever to bring the back ahead, and you now have access behind the seats. There's a little bit of storage area there if you wish. There's also tabs if you need to tether a seat, and you've got access to a big window. Up above there's hooks, and in the center there's lighting. Body colored bumper, 6.5 foot box, manually foldable mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.